Hey guys, want to talk to you. Looking at the next set on this is your history notes. We want to talk circuits. Okay. Now, circuits are a component or a piece of a computer. It's not part of the four-piece definition, but you have to have circuits because what's our main power source? Well, we're dealing with electricity. Well, electricity runs on circuits. And we have huge circuits. For example, water starts at the dam for us. It goes into a station. It gets redirected on big power lines, gets to individual smaller, town-sized stations, gets sent out. Okay, so it's going through all these checkpoints and everything until it gets to us. Okay, and then we have these smaller circuits like this room here. The power comes in. All right, I've got switches over in the corner. Okay, you hit the switch, it goes down the wire. Okay, if the switch is on, then the lights are on. If the switch is off, the lights are off. Okay, so we all know how that stuff works. But we want to talk about, again, four key things of what makes a circuit a circuit. Okay, the first thing is you got to have a power source. You just do, all right? Because we're talking circuits in electricity. We're not talking a workout circuit like you do in PE. That's something totally different. This is, we got to have a power source. And in computers, because we're getting to robotics, it has to be electricity. Okay. Then you've got to have number two, which is a pathway. And the pathway are the electrical wires that the electricity goes down. Okay. At some point, it's going to get to your third thing, which is a switch, on or off. Okay. If it's on, that pathway can continue. If it's off, that pathway stops. Now, here's the thing. Like here, once it goes down the pathway, we know that the switch is on because the lights are on. Well, from an electrical standpoint, we call that a load. And a load means that there is an immeasurable amount of electricity showing up. We can see that the load and the switch is on because we have light. Okay, we have ways of measuring that kind of stuff, but that's really what we're talking about. So, four things: you got a power source, you got a pathway, you got a switch, okay, and then you got a load. And you need to know what each of those four things are.